If you export reports every week and add comments manually, you're probably doing this the hard way. Because every time a new export comes in, you have two bad options: overwrite your notes or manually compare hundreds of rows. But there is a better way. In this video, I'll show you how to combine recurring reports using Power Query so that Excel automatically detects new records, prevents duplicates, protects your comment columns. After this setup, it's one click, refresh all. No more manual comparing. The strategy. Here's the strategy we're going to use. We're going to separate two things: your exported data and your manual comments. Instead of pasting new exports into your master file every single week, we'll let Power Query collect all export files automatically and compare them against your master table. That way, existing rows stay untouched, your comment column stays safe, and new records get added automatically. The key to making this work is that every row needs a unique ID. That could be order ID, ticket number, invoice number, employee number. This ID is how Excel knows what's already in the master file and what's new. Once that's in place, the rest becomes automatic. Step 1. Structure your master file. You need one main sheet. Call it Master. Then create 5 columns. A unique ID that will be used as an anchor, the deviation description, date of occurrence, the status column, and last but not least, the comments column. This one is an important step. Select your data, press Ctrl+T to convert it to a table. Then rename this table to something like Master Table. You might be wondering why this step is necessary. Well, because Power Query works best with structured tables. Now, before proceeding, let me add some data to work with. Step 2. Load Master as connection only. Now click inside the Master Table, then navigate to Data, select From Table, Range, and suddenly Power Query window opens. Next, click Close and Load To, then select Only Create Connection. This makes it available in Power Query without overriding it. Step 3. Import the export files. Now, instead of manually copying and pasting the new exports, go to Data, Get Data, From File, From Folder, then select the folder where the exports are. The goal is to upload all your future exports in this particular folder. After selecting the folder and clicking OK, select Combine, then Combine and Transform Data. Select Export Sheet and click OK. Now let's first remove the first column, then close and load to, and select Only Create a Connection. If you don't create a connection, this export file will be added as a new sheet. Step 4. Create a final table. We will now merge the master table, which contains all our comments, with all the export data. To do this, double-click the export query to open the Power Query editor. Next, select the export query. Then navigate to Home and select Merge Queries as New. In the second drop-down menu, select the master table. Then click the ID column in both tables. For join type, choose Left Outer and click OK. Now let's expand the master table info. Deselect ID, deviation description, and date of occurrence and click OK. Now rename this query to Final Table. But as you can see, our table contains duplicate data. Let's remove the duplicate data by going to Remove Rows, Remove Duplicates. Now, select the final table query and select Close and Load To, then select Table and put the data in a new worksheet. Click OK. Great! Now we have two worksheets. The final table, which contains all our new records, and our master sheet containing all our status and comments. Step 5. Updating the master table. Notice that our current master table doesn't contain the new records. We can solve this by simply copying the entire table to our master table. Before we proceed, let me update some records to see if this will be included when we refresh the final table. Step 6. Adding new exports. Let's say we have a new export that we want to include in our report? Well, we simply drag the new export file in the folder where the rest of our exports are. If your Excel file is closed, open the master file that contains our final table and our master table, then navigate to Data and select Refresh All. Notice that our final table is automatically updated with the new records, but also the comments that we have added in the previous steps. The final step is to simply copy the entire table by pressing Ctrl+A, then Ctrl+C, and paste it in our master table sheet. And that's it! Most Excel users treat every new export like it's a small crisis. Okay, don't override the comments, don't create duplicates, don't mess this up. Professionals, they click refresh and go get coffee. You built the system once, now it does the boring work for you. No more manual comparing, copy-paste gymnastics, or heart attacks when a new file arrives. Your comments stay safe. New records get added, everything just works. That's how Excel is supposed to feel. And if this video saved you hours of frustration, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.